ફર્સ્ટ ઓવર નિશાંત જોશી નાખશે મેચની ફર્સ્ટ ઓવર. Samay Trivedi on strike. First ball itself. Good ball. It was on the air for quite a while. બેટિંગ ટીમનો એક મેમ્બર અહીંયા મોકલો ત્યાર સુધી મેચ ચાલુ નહીં થાય. And a wide ball. And is it? It is gone up. It is gone up. What a catch! What a catch! Samir gets out. First wicket of the game. A big wicket, a big fish. Samir Oza gets out. Nishant Joshi gets the first wicket. New batter Adi Oza in. A brilliant catch by Harsh. Nishant Joshi. It's in the air again. Is it a catch? Whoa! 2 and 2. Two wickets in the first over itself. Nishant Joshi does trend bowling. Nishant Joshi does trend bowled. First over ma 2 wicket. And he is on a hat-trick now. We have already seen 2 hat-tricks. અને 2 hat-trick આ જ pitch પર આવ્યા છે. Game stop, 1 minute, game stop. Game stop. समय Trivedi on non-strike. Samay Trivedi on non-strike. Hiren Oza on strike. Captain Hiren Oza. Dot ball. Nishant Joshi misses the hat-trick, but 2 wickets in the first over itself. Kammar todi nakhi pehla જ ઓવરમાં. Brilliant bowling by Nishant Joshi. What a bowling And what the bowling, outsmarting the batsman. Slower ball નાખ્યો. હિરેન ઓઝાને એકદમ આઉટસ્માર્ટ કરી દીધો. Nishan Joshi, brilliant bowling here. Last ball to go. હિરેન ઓઝા લેગ સાઈડ ના તરફ હટીને 1 રન માટે. ઓવરની સમાપ્તિ. Brilliant first over. Couldn't have been better than this. 1 over 3 રન, 2 વિકેટની નુકસાની પર. Brilliant first over by Nishan Joshi. Brand bold level start. New bowler name. Shub Doshi, new bowler. Shub Doshi, new bowler. Wicket taking neck છે શુભ દોશી પાસે. Hiren Oza on strike. Shub Joshi, new bowler. 3 વિકેટ લીધી હતી આના પહેલાની મેચમાં શુભ જોશીએ. આ મેચમાં પણ એ પરફોર્મન્સ રેપ્લિકેટ કરવાની પૂરી ટ્રાય કરશે. શુભ જોશી ન્યુ બોલર. હિરેન ઓઝા ઓન સ્ટ્રાઇક. હજી એક વાર લેગ સાઈડમાં જલ્દી ફરીને શોટ માર્યો. And it's a 4. Brilliant batting by Hiren Oza. Bowler થોડુંક આઉટસ્માર્ટ કરી શકત. પહેલા જ લેગ સાઈડના તરફ મૂડી ગયા હતા હિરેન ઓઝા. થોડાક એમને ફોલો કરી શકત. But brilliant batting by Hiren Oza. 2 વાર લગાતાર હિરેન ઓઝાએ શિફ્ટ કરીને શોટ માર્યો છે લેગ સાઈડના તરફ. He is using the boundary well. Yet another brilliant shot. Hiren Oza is the bowler well, and he is using the leg side boundary just pretty well. He has got a 4 on leg side and even a 6 now. Hiren Oza has got the momentum back. Shub Joshi. Yet another same mistake again. This time he was lucky. Hiren Oza is continuously shifting on leg side, but still Shub Joshi is bowling the short pitch delivery. Samay Trivedi on strike. It's a full toss, but can it be a gift for a wicket? No! A catch has been dropped, and we have seen that fielding કેટલી important છે. Last match fielding ના વજેથી હારી હતી. A catch could have done the game. Another short pitch ball. A wide ball here. નિશાન જોશીએ ફર્સ્ટ ઓવરમાં 2 વિકેટ લીધી હતી. 2 બોલ આગળ નાખ્યા હતા. શું શુભ જોશી પણ ઈ સેમ વસ્તુ ટ્રાય કરી શકે છે ટુ ગેટ અ વિકેટ? સમય ત્રિવેદી on strike. Joshi here. આગળ નાખ્યો બટ ફૂલ ટોસ, બટ ફૂલ ટોસ પણ લો ફૂલ ટોસ ઈઝી નથી હોતું બેટ્સમેન ને મારવા, સ્પેશિયલી જ્યારે એ બોલમાં પેસ નથી હોતો ત્યારે બેટ્સમેન આપણી પાવર જનરેટ કરીને મારવી પડે છે. Till now a good comeback by Shubh Joshi. First 3 બોલમાં 9 રન આવી ગયા હતા. After that a great comeback by Shubh Joshi. Hiren was again shifted to leg side. This time Shubh Joshi was pretty smart. એમને આગળ bowling કરી. Great bowling, great end to the over. 2 ઓવર પછી 18 રન 2 વિકેટની નુકસાની પર, 2 ઓવર પછી 18 રન 2 વિકેટની નુકસાની પર. हेलो हेलो बॉलर ने कुशल जोशी, कैप्टन कुशल जोशी with the ball. Kushal Joshi, can he get the breakthrough in the first ball itself? No, a catch is dropped and this was one of the most easiest catch of the game. Kushal Joshi would be disappointed as a captain and as a bowler. Kushal Joshi would be disappointed with the fielding effort there. The fielding of Harar Mahadev have been below par till now. હજી સુધી 2 કેચીસ ડ્રોપ થયા છે, એક સમય ત્રિવેદીનો અને એક હિરેન ઓઝાનો. And a single again. कैप्टन कुशल जोशी, 2 બોલ 2 રન હજી સુધી, એક કેચ ડ્રોપ થયો. ફર્સ્ટ બોલમાં ચાન્સ હતો, પહેલા જ બોલમાં ચાન્સ હતો. સમય ત્રિવેદી ઓન સ્ટ્રાઇક, 4 બોલ 5 રન બનાવ્યા છે. And a good shot. Is it a 6? Yes, it is the पर नमक यहाँ पे. जिस तरीके से कुशल समय त्रिवेदी ने ये शॉट मारा है, फील्डिंग बहुत ही ज्यादा पुअर रही है. इक्विटस 6 यहाँ पर बेहतरीन शॉट समय त्रिवेदी के द्वारा. कुशल जोशी, चौथी गेंद. कैप्टन कुशल जोशी के ओवर में 2 कैचेस छूट चुके हैं, समय त्रिवेदी के 2 कैचेस छूट चुके हैं. एंड समय त्रिवेदी ने उसका पूरा एडवांटेज उठाया है. 6 बॉल में 17 रन. क्या एक और बार कैच का चांस है? एंड द थर्ड कैच ऑफ समय त्रिवेदी कैच ड्रॉप. Another catch drop by Harar Mahadev. Third catch of Samay Trivedi has been dropped. And it's a no ball here. It's a no ball. And an expensive over by Captain Kushal Joshi. 3 ओवर 25 स्कोर છે 36 રન 2 વિકેટની નુકસાની પર. चार कैचेस अभी तक छूटे, 3 समय त्रिवेदी के, 1 हिरेन ओझा के. 9 बॉल में 20 रन समय त्रिवेदी मारी लीधा छे. He has taken the full advantage of the chances he have got. न्यू बॉलर गौरव मेहता. लास्ट मैच के हीरो थे गौरव मेहता विद द बैट, लेकिन विद द बॉल इतनी अच्छी गेंदबाजी नहीं कर पाए थे. लेकिन क्या विद द बॉल गौरव मेहता कमबैक करेंगे और अच्छी गेंदबाजी करेंगे. ત્રણ ઓવર પછી 36 રન. 3 ઓવર પછી 36 રન 2 વિકેટની નુકસાની પર. ગૌરવ ઓઝા ફર્સ્ટ બોલ સ્લોટ પર નાખ્યો છે. ગૌરવ મહેતા ફર્સ્ટ બોલ સ્લોટ પર નાખ્યો છે. Second ball, Gaurav Mehta. It's in the air, it's in the air. Can it find? Finally the catch has been taken. Chintan has taken the catch. Finally the wicket. Hiren Oza gets out. New batsman Kiran Mehta in. It's Mehta versus Mehta. Gaurav Mehta versus Kiran Mehta. Which Mehta will get the better of each other? Kiran Mehta first ball slashes it for a single. હજી સુધી 3 બોલમાં બસ 2 રન આપ્યા છે ને 1 વિકેટ લીધી છે. સમય ત્રિવેદી, what a shot this was. પગ પર બોલ આવ્યો ને બસ એક પણ ફિલ્ડિંગ ના વજેથી ટીમ હારી હતી. this match પણ આ મેચ પણ ફિલ્ડિંગ એક બહુ મોટો રોલ પ્લે કરે છે. 3 કેચીસ સમય ત્રિવેદીના છૂટ્યા હતા. And he has made it all count. A big appeal. Is it a wicket? A leg by. Kiran Mehta on strike. What a shot! This is humongous. This is 6. Kiran Mehta gets better off. New bowler. न्यू बॉलर निशान जोशी, सेकंड ओव्हरच्या निशान जोशीने फर्स्ट ओव्हરમાં નિશાન જોશીએ 2 વિકેટ લીધી હતી. Can he turn the game again on the second over? Yet another good shot, back straight to the fielder, નિશાન જોશી. Third wicket for નિશાન જોશી.
અતુલ પાઠક નો છોકરો છે. અતુલ પાઠક નો છોકરો છે.
Third wicket. That Samay Trivedi departs.
યસ પાઠક.
But a brilliant knock by Samay Trivedi. 12 બોલમાં 27 રન્સ માર્યા. New batsman Jash Pathak. બે નવા બેટ્સમેન છે ક્રીઝ પર. નિશાન જોશી જેને 3 વિકેટ લઈ લીધી છે. Can he take his 4th wicket? Can he bring the game for Arama? Yes! Hey, it is up in the air. This is bad level fielding. You આ મેચમાં 5મી કેચ ડ્રોપ થઈ છે હરર મહાદેવ તરફથી. 5th કેચ ડ્રોપ બાય હરર મહાદેવ. નિશાન જોશી till now has been one of the best bowlers. સ્લોવર બોલ્સ નાખ્યા છે, શોર્ટ પિચ નાખી છે, યોર્કર્સ નાખ્યા છે. It's in the air. No fielder there. And 2 run by the batsman. A rare error by Nishan Joshi. He hasn't committed much errors in this game. This is the first one that he has did. Low ball by Nishan Joshi. Kiran Mehta on strike. A slower ball. Wicket keeping has been poor in this game. Fielding has been poor. Wicketkeeper hasn't called when there were catches, and now this wicket keeping. बॉलर बस बॉल डाल सकता है, आखिर में फील्डर को बैकअप देना पड़ेगा. And fielding hasn't been that good in this game till now. 5 कैचेस छूटे हैं. विकेट कीपिंग बहुत पुअर रही है. Another great ball. And a good throw. It was a good throw there. And a wide ball. Last ball to go of this over. Nishan Joshi. બ્રિલિયન્ટ સ્પેલ ઓફ નિશાન જોશી એન્ડ 2 ઓવરમાં 10 રન 3 વિકેટ. પહેલા એક ઓવર પાવર પ્લેમાં 2 વિકેટ અને હમણાં સમય ત્રિવેદીની એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વિકેટ લીધી. બ્રિલિયન્ટ બોલિંગ બાય નિશાન જોશી.
स्कोर क्या हुआ
5 ओवर 59 रन 4 विकेट. 5 ओवर 59 रन 4 विकेट. અને બ્રિલિયન્ટ કેપ્ટનસી બાય જાસ્મીન કુમાર. न्यू बॉलर जास्मिन कुमार. Till now it has been a brilliant captaincy by Kushal Joshi. ફિલ્ડિંગ એટલી સારી નથી રહી પણ એમના ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ બોલર થી 5th ઓવર એમને કરાવી જે કે બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઓવર હતી. એમાં સમય ત્રિવેદીની વિકેટ પણ આવી અને આ ઇટ્સ અપ ઇન ધ એર બટ ઇટ્સ and it's a 4. Kiran Mehta has hit yet another 4. Brilliant fielding by Nishan Joshi. Finally, we can say brilliant fielding by Haran Madhav team. Yet another short pitch ball. 2 રનની માંગ, 1 જ રન મળશે. સારું તો 2 રન નો ભાગ્યા, રન આઉટ નો ચાન્સ થઈ જાત. And a wide ball here. Wide plus single.
ठंडा पानी है भाई.
Yet another catch drop. 6th catch drop of this game. Last ball to go. 72 runs. 4 विकेट की नुकसानी पर. Last ball to go. Kiran Mehta on strike. And how would he finish the game? With a single, he would finish the first innings. No, another misfield. It has been seriously a poor wicket keeping and a fielding. जहाँ पे 1 रन होना चाहिए था वहाँ पे 2-2 रन हो रहे, कभी 3-3 रन हो रहे हैं. You cannot afford this kind of a fielding.
સર્કલમાં છો.
हेलो 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 ऑन स्ट्राइक गौरव मेहता, नॉन स्ट्राइक पर निशांत जोशी. Okay, chasing a total of 76 runs now in 6 overs. Very first delivery, bowler. Bowler name? Shiva. Very first delivery, dot ball. Shubham Oza bowler. And good hit. Could it be a boundary? A welcome boundary by Gaurav Mehta, chasing a big total of 76 runs now. Mehta and crossed the boundary with one bounce. A lovely shot, Equitas boundary by Gaurav Mehta. A good boundary by Gaurav Mehta. Again, Captain Hiren consulting the bowler, and let's check what the change he can. Again, a good drive. Looks like it will cross the boundary, and yes, it is. Yes, it is. Back to back, second boundary by Gaurav Mehta. So on board now it's 9 runs. 12 runs, okay, sorry. Okay. 3 consecutive boundaries. Again, trying to hit it hard, but missed it. A big appeal, but no reply by the umpire. મહેશભાઈ મહેતાનો હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. At the end of first over, total is 12 now on board. Again, Hiren Oza, captain himself, coming in the second over. Dot ball. Chasing a big total, every dot ball will cost to the team. A big hit, sure sixer over the roof of the audience shed. A big hit by Nishan Joshi. A good sixer, Equitas sixer by Nishan Joshi. So now on board it shows 18 runs. Again a slower one, but still single been considered. So till now 7 been considered in this over. 3 more to go. Wide. Mr. Extra has arrived in form of a wide delivery. One more to the total. It's now 19. A reverse sweep, very good reverse sweep converted into a boundary. A good over, I think so, for the team. In 4 deliveries, 12 runs been considered. In 4 deliveries, 12 been considered. On board it's now 24 runs. Oh, that was slower one, tricky one. Only single considered. Oh, that was very tricky. That was very tricky. That was a big appeal for stumping. Twenty-five runs. 2-5, 25. Bunches screen refresh time. Bowler name please. Kiran Mehta from Vapi. Full toss one and should be punished, very well punished by Gaurav Mehta, and a huge towering 6, Equitas 6. Huge towering 6 by Gaurav Mehta is not very well. He have to hit hard, hit big shot, and not to lose any loose delivery. He have to convert it into boundaries and sixes. So it's 31 now. Again Sanjay, and yes, for sure, it's for sure a boundary, Equitas boundary. Lovely shot by Gaurav Mehta. Add more a boundary into total. It's 35 now. Dharmik Bhatt, no Hardik Swagat, Dharmik by Bhatt.
Ame, makal, di makal.
Big six by Gaurav Mehta. Low full toss and for sure it's a boundary, Equitas boundary. Lovely shot by Gaurav Mehta. At the end of third over, total is 45 now, chasing a big total of 76. Gaurav Mehta on blast, 37 in 14 deliveries. New bowler name please. New bowler name please. Harsh Joshi. Okay. Harsh Joshi is the new bowler now. ઓકે મેન મંડપ પાસે ચાનું કાઉન્ટર ચાલુ છે. મેન મંડપ પાસે ચાનું કાઉન્ટર ચાલુ છે. જેને પણ ચા પીવી હોય મેન મંડપ પાસે ચાનું કાઉન્ટર ચાલુ કર્યું છે. Oh, straight drive, but only single, only Vimal, only single. Wide ball. Again a huge one. Towering 6 by Gaurav Mehta. Towering 6 by Gaurav Mehta.
Score.
54.
प्रमुखने बोलावे प्रमुखने बोलावे
પ્રદીપભાઈ, પ્રણવભાઈ અને દિલીપભાઈ મહેતાનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. 3 જણા છે પ્રદીપ, તમે 3 જણા છો. I think we are going to see second 50 of the day. Huge 6 with the 6 Gaurav Mehta on 49 runs. Just in 17 delivery, Gaurav Mehta is on 49, one short of half century. Here we could see second half century of the day. The first one was by Dev Pathak on pitch 1. Now this is second one on pitch 2, mostly by Gaurav Mehta. Just one run short of half century, just in 17 deliveries. Trying to taking it full toss, but okay. With this single, Gaurav Mehta is on 50. Gaurav Mehta has completed his 50 just in 18 deliveries. Total is 61 now. 3.5 hours 61. Gaurav Mehta has finished his 50. This is the second 50 of the day of UPL 2025 season 14. Now it's time for Nishan Joshi to blast in the air but in no man's land, and hence double been considered. Very good running between the wicket. Very good running between the wicket. End of the over now, total is 63. With second over, Hiren Oza, captain himself, Hiren Oza. A dot delivery by Hiren. Second dot. a big hit, awaiting for umpire signal. It's a boundary, Equitas Choka. One more boundary to the total by Gaurav Mehta. He's on 54 now. He's on 54 now in 21 deliveries. In the air, but oh yes, that was the prize wicket. Indeed, this wicket was needed too early now. A big dent in the score, very good inning. We should cheer up for this batsman for 54 runs. This is the second half century of the day. Kushal Joshi, new batsman in Kushal Joshi. Score 67. 67. Kushal Joshi, new batsman in Kushal Joshi. Reverse sweep and boundary. For sure it's a boundary. Equitas Choka. A reverse sweep and boundary, and now total is 71 in 4.5 overs. Waiting for umpire signal. It's a 6. Equitas 6, a big. Won the match by 8 wickets.